What's going on, guys? Welcome, Rabid here. Just a quick video and a last minute reminder to anybody that is holding any Raptorium, Firo, Neoxa, and whatever this OSMI is on iNodes that today is the final day to get your withdrawals in, or you will be losing your coins, I think. But they're closing down after today. So if we come into their Discord, remember this is posted way back out in August 31st here, that they are saying they're closing down, and it is happening at midnight on December 31st, 2025. So New Year's Eve, last day of the month. Here we go. That is today. So guys, just get your coins out of here. This means that users have approximately 121 days from this post. Now you have 0 days. Today is the last day of this announcement to access the site, create withdrawal requests, and download CSV payment files as needed. So if you need assistance in any reason, please use the help thing. So you're getting pretty much running out of time. So I did get everything withdrawed. I sent in my final request for what is it? Neox, I think it was. Let's just come into here, withdrawals, and we can see that current Q00. Yeah, it is gone. End of December. There's still a bunch of Neoxa in there. I don't know if I actually got mine or not. Let's see if I go to history. This amount created. I'm not sure if I got it not or yet, but we'll see what happens, when the time comes. But we'll see. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Like, there's nothing else left to say except it is closing down. Now, I do want to log out here and see exactly what it says, because I do believe it has warnings all over the website as well. So if I log out, and then here we go. So read everything carefully. So roughly 3 months ago, our term contract expired. So yeah, they're going through everything that happened here, all on it. All deposits and money to iNodes should also be stopped as soon as possible. Remember, this was posted back in August, and then they're saying how long they've been here. And yeah, so same date here, December 31st, 2025. So before you even log in, it's right on their channel here. But the point here is, guys, after today, this will be closing down. So I don't know what else more to say other than get your coins out, set up your withdrawals, remove them, because you don't have any more time. I know some of you guys may have forgot about this over the past few months or so. So I just wanted an urgent last minute reminder, guys. Get it out or lose your crypto. Like, I don't know if there's any backup fail-safe plans if you have withdrawal addresses in here, and they might just put it to them by default. But I think if you don't set everything up, everything is gone, and you're not going to be able to access the site anymore. So that's pretty much it, guys. Get your coins out of iNodes or lose them for life. That's pretty much all I'm saying here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.